What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this HDMI switcher which is inside of this box. Let's get into the video. Now before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Now let's go on with the unboxing. So this HDMI switcher has 4 inputs and 2 outputs, as well as I believe it has audio. Yeah, so this has support for audio, which is a big improvement over my older one that I have, but I think I'll just be using both of them that I have. So let's go on with the unboxing. Oh, okay, so this is way bigger than my original one. Oh, and of course it comes with cables underneath. Okay. So it comes with this remote right here, which looks like a telephone. And here's the power cable. Let's take this out. You can see it's pretty bulky, but it'll do the job. And then here are the instructions and some pamphlets and stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like our videos. Thanks. Have a great day.